Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Infinity Harmon Fuze 100 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. You might need to do this to fix any kind of Bluetooth issues that you're having. If the speaker is not connecting to the Bluetooth, or if it keeps connecting, or if it's connecting to the wrong device, and things like that, or if the sound is weird, a hard resetting the Bluetooth can fix a lot of these issues. Now, before you do this, I do recommend that you just go ahead and whatever devices you use this speaker on, you go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off and then have them forget this device. And then once you've done that, you can come in here and just all you're going to do is press and hold the power button and the play button simultaneously for a few seconds. If you just hold it for a few seconds, that will reset the Bluetooth. And then you can go ahead and once it's reset, you can turn it back on and then go ahead and repair this speaker with whatever device you want as though it were a new device.